got a tailgate for the truck, and it's pretty straight. Looks pretty good. Needs to be painted, of course, but it didn't have the straps, and it didn't have this latch, which is right there. You can see is broken. So bought a new latch, installed it. No muss, no fuss. This is the reason I got this, was because it had the pressed in letters. So I'm going to fill these holes in, and then I'll paint the letters different colors so that they stand out. But I like the old school kind of pressed in letters. So that's what it's going to get. I got door panels for it. They're in really nice shape. They were really dirty, but we cleaned them up, and they're just turned up really nice. Super happy with them. This is the old original cluster. The plastic was destroyed on it. I'll show you this is the cluster back in it. Bought a cluster. It's in pretty good shape today. It wasn't new, it was used. Still haven't done a radio yet. I have a hole here. I'm not really sure how that happened, but there's a hole. Anyway, the carpet's been pretty good. I need to vacuum up and put some damn floor mats in it. But that door panel is okay, but the other ones are in better shape. So yeah, the interior is slowly coming along. Put new, I got some new different door panels, got some new mocha panels. Anyway, I didn't get the trim. I still got to find some trim. But overall, got driver's side done, passenger side. And I'm down to gray seats. I haven't put the panels in the back. I still have the panels in the back. And I don't have this gray panel back here. I don't have this panel yet, but and I don't have a rear seat. I haven't put the seats in, or the quarter panels in, because I'm trying to find the mocha seat belts. Once I find the mocha seat belts, then I can put all this stuff in. So anyway, but I did get started on, continued on this. This will probably be the last time you see these gray seats in here. I'm going to sell these because I have some mocha seats. So these I'm going to swap out. I've got the seats in. I vacuumed them up. They need some cleaning still, but overall they're in pretty darn good shape. A couple spots spot there, and looks like a cigarette burn there, but overall darn good. I'm real pleased with them. So now the interior is a real mocha. So I'm real pleased with it. That paint down there is for the rims. I need to get to that too.